These amazing nachos will feed a hungry crowd.
Made with freshly fried chips.
And homemade vegetarian chili.
Oh, and don't forget about the cheese.
Oh, and of course, topped with all those wonderful toppings.
Oh, these are nachos you won't soon forget. Yay, nachos! We're doing some nachos.
I love nachos. Okay.
Me too.
I'm gonna get right into it. First of all, this chili is to die for. It's vegetarian, it's black bean and corn, and the flavor is absolutely stunning. And it goes with these nachos perfect. So I'm gonna give you a real quick overview of how I did it.
Quick rundown.
I just got a nice pot like this, put some vegetable oil in there or some olive oil, and then we're gonna throw in some nice veggies if I can remember them all. There's onion, there is red bell pepper, there is zucchini, there are celery, there's carrots, there's jalapeno peppers, and there is garlic.
Everything.
There's everything that I can pull out of my garden. But no, it's so good. And you're just going to saute that until it gets nice and soft. And then we're going to season that with some seasonings like cumin and chili powder. And cayenne pepper. And then just let that coat that. Then we're going to add some vegetable broth. Keep it vegetarian. Why not? And just let that simmer. And then we are going to really amp up the flavor with some tomatoes. I use my San Marzano tomatoes. Use my hands to squeeze those babies on in there and pour the juice. Hit it with a little salt and pepper, and then let that simmer for about 20 minutes. Then we're almost done. We're gonna add in some drained black beans, some fire roasted corn, and some cilantro, and then just stir that up and let it heat. And that's it, baby.
It's so great. And you know, we like to use a kind of a spicier chili powder for the vegetarian chili. Yeah. It just adds a little bit of to it. Yes.
Whatever you like.
And then we have the chips, which
they may look like just regular chips.
But they're not.
They're a chip above the rest.
I took some corn tortillas, and I got my trusty pizza cutter, and I just cut them into quarters, and then I threw them into our deep fryer, let them get all...
Or you could do it in your skillet with oil.
Yeah, and let them get all golden brown, and then I drained them on some paper towels, hit them with some salt, and here they are.
We did a whole package of corn chips because we're doing our big old sheet pan here, so we're not kidding around.
Okay, sheet pan nachos.
These are sheet pan.
Look at that already.
And this really, I mean, this you can.
And you can get messy.
You can get messy. You should get messy. So now we've got some wonderful shredded cheddar cheese.
Yes, and then I'm just gonna throw this on there. The cheesier the better, folks. But this is 2 layers, so we're gonna do this first layer, and then we're gonna add some more of the wonderful chips.
And so, like I always say, when you're going with something like this, when you're doing, just go with good ingredients. Go with some good quality cheddar. I like to get
reaching for cheddar.
I know. My favorite block of cheddar. Well, you're so slow and dainty.
I didn't literally mean be messy.
Well, anyway, get a nice block of cheddar cheese and shred it. Do it on your box grater. Any way you want to do it, but quality really does matter on something like this.
And look at those. We should call them mile high.
They really should be because they are practically. I hope they'll fit in the oven.
Chris,
I'm slinging.
Careful! You almost slung it on me. I almost got slunged on.
Oh my gosh, a nacho slinging.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
I know. This chili is amazing by itself, but it's so good on this. And I am using the whole vat of chili.
Yeah, get some over here. Over here. You're missing a bunch over here. Come on.
We are inviting the entire block. We are inviting the entire block over.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right. Cheese, and then
oh my gosh.
All right. There we go.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
That is amazing.
Okay, y'all.
I've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees, and if I can lift this, we're going to let it go for just about, 10 minutes.
I don't know what you're having.
Nachos, please.
It's nacho time.
It is nacho time, but it is our time. Oh, my gosh. Is that not something to behold?
Unbelievable.
Folks, if you bring this out, your guests, your family are going to they're going to love you more than they already do, which is probably not possible. All right, let's do a few dollops.
Yes, I'm going to do a dollop. Yes, there we go.
Sour cream.
Oh, wait a minute. Here, did I just screw it up? I did that. Here, you can do a dollop over here.
Down here. You dolloped when you shouldn't have dolloped.
Where am I dolloping? Here, I'll just dollop right there.
It's never a dull moment.
Oh, God. Oh, I didn't dollop. Here, dollop right there.
No, okay. It doesn't matter where you dollop.
Yeah.
Dollop wherever you feel the right place to dollop.
Give me another dollop over here.
Okay. We're dolloping our way into insanity.
All right. There. All right. So we've got dollops. Now I'm going to put a little bit of. Ooh, look at that.
That's what you got right there is some cilantro.
No, I'm looking at your.
These are some pickled jalapeños. You dollop it with whatever you feel like.
Y'all, look at this. This is a party. This is perfect for game day. I'm telling you.
Game day could never be more festive, no matter the outcome of the game.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Should we take a picture?
I've taken several pictures of this.
Okay.
I'm
gonna
just
use
gonna
a fork. I'm gonna use a fork.
Use this. Oh, look at that. Oh, I see one that I want right there. Oops, I'm fingering them.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is Wesley's guacamole, by the way.
Oh, come on. All right. Wow.
Here we go.
Yeah.
The crunch. Oh, that chili. There's just something about a big platter of nachos.
Oh, the spice of that chili. Oh, and the crunch. And some serious crunchy chips.
Those are amazing.
Wow. This is 1000% Loon. Yes.
I'm so verklempt, I'm like choking on nachos. So we hope you love this game day favorite.
Yes.
We love you guys. Have fun.
Have fun.
Bye, everybody.
Hey.
Those are nachos.
Make them.